Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So ADA has retraced into this support zone and has actually reached this small target area there, but we haven't really seen a substantial reaction yet, or should rather say this reaction to the upside so far is only in 3 waves. It's not bullish enough to confirm that we've bottomed. I mean, ideally the wave 5 has started. But as I said to you, the earliest indication would be a break above the last high at 58.7 cents. Well, happened, but not a sustained break. See, we've broken back below it. And also we haven't broken above the B wave high. That would be a better confirmation at 65.4 cents. So can't really confirm yet that this wave 5 has started, but we have a support area still to watch. The area is still relevant, and something we could add here is maybe a couple of trend lines that might suggest, let's say, that might help us understand when this chart is trying an upside breakout. So we have something that looks a little bit like a descending wedge. I mean, these haven't been very reliable in this cycle, but maybe things are changing a bit. Just add these there for information. And it's moving down in what looks like a corrective pattern. I mean, one more low would make this morph from an ABC structure into a WXY. Is that a problem? Not at all. WXY patterns are just somewhat, let's say more complex patterns. We can actually take a quick look at our Discord server, where we have these patterns actually explained, and I don't want to go through the entire pattern, but you can read through that in your own time if you're interested to join the membership. I use this here to give you a little bit of an understanding of how that could look like, because what do we have at the moment? At the moment we have an ABC structure to the downside, which could normally complete an entire correction. But as I just explained, the rally was in 3 waves as well. So it is a possible 3-wave move down and a 3-wave move up. If we now see another 3-wave move down, we have a WXY correction, and that is just an extension of this entire correction, right? Other WXY combinations are possible, but it's just simply another leg down, another ABC pattern attached to the ABC structure we already have, connected with another ABC. It gives us this double combo pattern or double zigzag, depending on what the subdivisions are. But this is essentially a WXY pattern. It's a more complex form of a correction. It's a so-called 3-3-3 pattern. So let's compare that with the current live chart, not this one, this one, where we have, hey, look, this could be an ABC in wave W. This could be a 3-wave, it's not 5, it could be a 3-wave move in wave X. And then maybe a 3-wave move in Y, A, B, C. So it wouldn't change much, right? It would just be a bit of an extension. I mean, it would just mean that the market wasn't ready yet to move to the upside. What I cannot do at this stage is confirm that we've bottomed. I mean, ideally the low is in because we've hit the support zone. We've had a bit of a reaction, which is great, but nothing that would resemble an upside breakout, really. So I think, even though I say ideally the low is in, doesn't mean it has to be. I mean, it looks a little bit weak now, but that doesn't mean it couldn't go any. I mean, it could still give us another low. It has space. If you recall from the previous video, and I will remove now that blue target area. I mean, it did lead to a reaction, right? But we want to see what's going on. So 50.2 cents is next support, and then 46 cents, which is the 50% retracement. So that's where support for this wave 4 ends. And I will add here just in yellow the possibility for another wave 4, right? In case it extends, so SWXY. So I'm going to label that SWXY so that everybody who's looking at the live chart, knows what's going on here. WXY. I'll highlight that in yellow. No, shall we? Different color. It's difficult to see. I think yellow is probably best. So yeah, it could just be a WXY. That's what I mean. So, and then 50.2 and 46 cents are next support. Any break below it will mean we're likely in the larger degree 4th wave. As mentioned, then we have support at 42.3 cents. But below that, I don't really have anything clearly bullish left. But for now, we had an impulsive looking rally and we have a corrective looking decline. And that means we have overlapping price action, which suggests overall we could be dealing with upside trend continuation. Wedge pattern, pay attention to it. That's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.